Stay tuned for more cooking videos, more recipes, and I hope you stay with us for a long time. We got garden videos, cooking videos, and our family life. Tanya and Ronnie, and thank you for watching. Hope you stay with us for a long time at the Best Home Cooking on YouTube. Bye. Okay, we're going to make something to eat. We got a pack of chicken, ground pork, and some beef. Okay. We take 1/3 of this ground beef, some ground pork, now ground chicken. I'm going to take a little bit more of this. That makes half of the ground beef. Got some cheese. About 4 ounces of cheese. Let's grate some onion up now. I couldn't remember if I washed my onion off or not, so I washed it off again. Grate some onion up. Worcestershire sauce. Two of the spoons, two of the lids full. Tablespoon of the taco seasoning. Now I gotta wash this off now. I swear I can't hold on to nothing, y'all. I'll drop everything I touch anymore. Okay. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1/8 of a teaspoon of oregano. 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, let's make our burgers. Try to make them all the same size. Let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. Put our cowboy burgers in. Got 5 cowboy burgers. That's what they're called. Let me know if y'all ever heard of them or made these. Gonna let these cook to 165. Time to turn our burgers. It's been 7 minutes already. I got them cooking on 2 because I've got other things I'm making right now. I can't sit here and watch them right now. So they're going to slow cook until I get time to fool with them. Trying to cut up my lettuce, my onions, and my tomatoes. Now it's going to be cooking another 7 minutes. Got some pinto beans cooking them that I made a month ago, and I had them froze. Trying to find something to turn. A lot of grease or water, whatever the hell that is. Come out of them burgers. Okay, and our beans. Let's get us a piece of onion. Cut up in it. We're making refried beans. In our refried beans, we got some taco seasoning. Sauce, Okay, we're going to put about two tablespoons of chili seasoning in our beans, refried beans. And I'm going to add a little bit of water just to smooth them out a little bit. Not much. We're not going to drown our beans. We just want it all to cook together. Our burgers are 160 right now. Now we're going to pour the rest of our cheese in here. And our beans. Stir them up. And that was the taco seasoning water come out of that. I was getting worried. I was like, what? Dang, what a bunch of grease. Now you all can eat yours on bun, your hamburger, but we're not going to. And we got lettuce, tomato, onion, and refried beans, so we're just going to make it like a taco without the shell. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of lettuce. Wait a minute. Lettuce, tomatoes, onions. We grated this cheese up right here. The mess I got in this kitchen, you'd think I made a 4-course meal. Mmm, I like that. Thanks for watching. Bye.